All right, last question. Find the area of a regular nonagon. So nonagon means 9 sides. If you're like me, drawing these can be pretty difficult. However, all you really need to draw is one triangle, keeping in mind that it's 1 out of 9, and that the area of the entire polygon will be 9 of those. So our final answer will be 9 times 1/2 times base times height, the base and height of this triangle, where the base is the length of a side and the height is this red segment, which is the apothem. So, can we find the base and height of this blue triangle? Well, we are given in this problem that the perimeter is 144, and the perimeter is a distance around the edge. So if we traveled the length of a side all 9 times, we would have 144. Therefore, if we divide by 9, we'll have the length of a side. Left side divided by 9 leaves us with just side, and the right side divided by 9 leaves us with 16. So every side is 16 units long, which means the base of our triangle is 16. Therefore, to complete our problem, all we need to solve for is the height of our triangle. And how are we going to do that? We're going to have to use SOHCAHTOA with one of these right triangles. Notice the entire blue triangle isn't a right triangle. It's when we cut it in half that it's a right triangle. Therefore, if the side length is 16, then this will be 8. And what about the height? Well, the only way we can find the height is by using sine or cosine or tangent. So we have to know the measures of these interior angles. And how are we going to find those? Well, there's 9 sides, so there will be 9 triangles. And so a full revolution of 360 degrees divided by 9 triangles gives us the measure of each central angle. 360 divided by 9 is 40 degrees. So if every triangle's central angle is 40, then our blue one's 40-degree angle got cut in half. So this is a 20-degree angle. And if that's a 20-degree angle, then this must be a 70-degree angle. So we can use SOHCAHTOA to find h. Maybe if we were at the 70-degree angle, that's opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 70 is that opposite side over the adjacent side. Multiplying both sides by 8. The height equals 8 times tangent of 70 degrees. So the area is 9 times, that's 64 tangent of 70 degrees. And 9 times 64 is 576. So the exact answer is 576 tangent of 70 degrees, and that's square inches. And the approximate answer is about 1582.5.